How to manage diverse notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage diverse notifications on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome, and not Google Chrome, just Google, click on it, and then click on your profile here, and now click settings, and then click notifications, and click notifications again, and now just go down until you find this one, diverse. Click on it, and if you want to note on again, just one click again, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.